Yes, I'm in Mexico where the bougainvillea blooms so beautifully. And there's many stones laid out for us to walk and drive upon. And pepper growing this and jacaranda, the castanet tree. But that bougainvillea though, beautiful pink and red flowers. And these, I remember these. These are beautiful. Whatever they are, I forget what they're called here. A thistle of some kind, I guess. I'm walking up from the central area of San Miguel de Allende to Casa Angelitos, where I'm staying. I just arrived for a 6-day bioarchitecture and permaculture design workshop with Alyosha Linoff of the BioVeda Academy. He's been teaching a wonderful bioarchitecture and permaculture design online that I've been following since 2018. And now here we meet in Mexico. Get ready for some dreams being built. Looking forward to build the temple homes and educational centers of the future. Places for human thriving and for us to realize our role as guardians and stewards for all life to thrive. Oh, this guy's thriving into the wall. Caught that on tape, bro. There he goes. This is the town-facing side of Casa Angelitos. With this beautiful trees here. Spiraling. Alright, let's continue the entrance to Casa Angelitos and enjoy the details. La Casa de las Estrellas. This is wood. Oh, this place is something. I tell you. Out here beyond the power lines, all these lovely colored houses and flowers. Look at this interesting creation. Ooh, dragon egg. Look at this place. Haha. A little stage. So good. So beautiful.